Imagine walking into a room. People turn, heads shift, conversations pause. Not because you demanded attention, but because you earned it. Not everyone has that presence. Most try to act confident. But real respect comes from deep, silent strength. Today I'll share 3 little-known confidence secrets that build magnetic presence. So people not only like you, they respect you. Stay till the end. The last one is the silent power move that changes how people treat you without you saying a word. Secret number 1, anchor your posture and micro-expressions. True confidence isn't about loud words, it's about posture. Standing tall with squared shoulders, head level, eyes forward tells your brain and others, I believe in myself. Micro-expressions matter. A calm brow, steady eye contact, relaxed mouth. When you walk, let your steps be even, slow, deliberate. These non-verbal signals are more persuasive than speech. They communicate strength, safety, and leadership subconsciously. Try this. For a day, film yourself walking or standing in a mirror. Notice where you collapse, slouched back, droopy shoulders, and fix it. You'll feel stronger just standing right. Secret 2, speak your truth, no over-explaining. Confident men do not justify. They speak clearly, without padding. If someone questions you, you don't go into long defenses. You respond and you move on. Over-explaining equals doubt. People respect clarity. When you say what you mean, when you mean it, without anxiety, you radiate trust. Practice. When asked a question you know the answer to, give short, clear response. Don't fill the silence. Let your words carry weight. Secret 3, emotional armor. Ride the wave. Don't let it ride you. Everyone gets triggered. Anger, hurt, jealousy, all normal. What separates those with real presence is not that they don't feel. They just don't let emotion control their actions. When someone pushes your buttons, notice. Do you snap? Or do you pause, breathe, respond intentionally? Emotional armor is built over time. Awareness plus boundary setting. You don't have to be stoic, but you do have to move with grace. This is what people often label as alpha behavioral. Strength, not because you dominate, but because you master yourself. Practice these, and you'll notice people treating you differently, listening, trusting, respecting you more. Which of these do you think will be hardest? Comment below. Awareness is the foundation of change. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe. In the next video, I'll reveal dark psychology techniques used in job interviews so you can walk in calm.